Now, Kirti Azad, BJP MP and member of parliamentary panel on the Lokpal, has lashed out at the Prime Minister's decision to call an all-party meeting on the issue. Azad said his party should boycott the all-party meeting because it subverts the relevance of all the work put into the House report. Azad also argued that decisions agreed upon by the panel on including the lower bureaucracy were changed overnight and without any explanation.
Kirti, now we're seeing this odd situation where after going through the whole process, we're back to an all-party meeting. Some would say the all-party meeting should have preceded the parliamentary panel.
Well, first of all, let me say this, that I may or may not agree going to that platform. I think I'm an elected representative.
Yeah.
There are about approximately 35 lakh people, 2.5 million people elect me. I, along with Pinaki, were there on the panel. We had about 600 various representations.
Yeah.
We had a couple of dozen people who came to us, very eminent people of society who came to us. We discussed things. The only thing I could not understand was on the 30th of November, the last meeting was held. It was supposed to be held on 30th November and 1st of December.
Yeah.
And after all the contentious issues were discussed, we were told that it's all over today. All those who do not agree with what the draft is, you may kindly give your dissent.
Yeah.
And suddenly, on the 1st, we all of a sudden come to know that the meeting has been called again. Some of us had flown away. I think Pinaki had gone out of town. He came back. There were quite a few others who had gone out of town, came back. And there was a complete turnaround. The decision to include Group C, Citizens Charter, to have an independent, autonomous CBI, all were discussed. And all of a sudden, you find a complete change. And
it
on
didn't
the
change
7th,
that much from the first draft to the next to the CBI, but I believe there was one meeting where Group C, Group D was agreed on and then suddenly changed.
that's what I'm saying. On the 30th of November, it was agreed.
Yeah.
No,
Maybe with a couple of people might not have agreed.
Yeah.
But the majority opinion was that Group C would be there, the Citizens Charter would be there.
Okay.
All these were discussed. And then everybody was told that you give your dissent. It wasn't decided on the Prime Minister. On the 1st, we come back and there's a complete turnaround. And Group C is taken off. Then again, we have a meeting on the 7th, where we have 3 congressmen, women, 2 women, coming and dissenting.
Yeah.
I think it was basically a show, nothing else. It was nothing else.
So who's behind
and
that?
I fail to understand how can the majority opinion will be a dissent when you have 17 people agreeing to having Group C within the for the Lokpal draft.
That's an important
and
question.
only 11 people against it. So those who were against it should have given a dissenting note rather than the 17 who were in the majority.
I think that's a
and
really...
I feel humiliated and insulted. I mean, I may not agree to this draft to an extent, but I feel insulted and humiliated that the Prime Minister is calling an all-party meeting, and I hope that my party doesn't go for that meeting, because what wrong they have done, it should be all discussed in Parliament rather than they getting a consensus against the wish of the people.
You're saying that the all-party meeting has subverted the very meaning of the Standing Committee process.
Obviously.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.